In this video, we'll demonstrate how to enable showing battery percentage on iPhone 15. But before we dive in, I invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn this, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Battery percentage provides a precise and quantitative measure of remaining power, enabling more accurate battery management and planning. Bars only offer a rough estimate, which can lead to unexpected device shutdowns or overcharging. Ensuring you always know the remaining battery percentage on your iPhone 15 is essential for managing your device's power effectively. To get started, locate and tap the Settings app on your iPhone 15's home screen. This app resembles a gear icon. Within the Settings menu, scroll down or use the search function to find the Battery option. Tap on it to access the battery settings. Inside the battery settings, you'll find an option to display the battery percentage. Simply toggle the switch next to battery percentage to the on position. This action will enable the battery percentage indicator on the top right corner of your iPhone 15 screen. Once you've turned on this feature, you should immediately see the battery percentage displayed on the top right of your screen, right next to the battery icon. This percentage will give you a precise and up-to-date representation of your device's remaining battery life. By following these straightforward steps, you can always keep an eye on your iPhone 15's battery level, ensuring you never run out of power unexpectedly. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. You can find more tutorials and resources at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com. Stay tuned for more exciting tutorials and tips coming your way.